Unagi sent me a scooter to make a video with, but I can't write a script until I get to my happy place at the coffee shop. So I'm just gonna design a sweet little caddy for my iBook to fit on the front of the Unagi. Luckily, the design of the scooter was sleek, so I had a lot to work with. The thing is smooth, the tires have built-in air pockets for suspension, so small bumps won't send that iBook flying. It's ultra light, it folds up so it's ultra portable, and honestly, it's really not that expensive as far as electric scooters go at this quality. At up to 20-mile-an-hour speeds, it shouldn't take long to get there and finally start writing this script about how great this ultra-light scooter is. Honestly, it's actually pretty dope. It's easy to fold, easy to carry. I actually dig it. I should probably work that into the script somewhere, right? Unagi scooters are just like, really dope. They just are.